A new study says that there are hundreds of missing or murdered indigenous women in metropolitan areas that have gone unnoticed. Washington reporter Lillian Donahue has more.
The Urban Indian Health Institute surveyed 71 cities across the United States to highlight often underreported cases of violence against Native American women. Arizona was one of the top states with the most number of cases.
Nobody is looking for our women, and they are dying.
ABIGAIL spearheaded the study that captured the attention of senators of both parties. Researchers said they found more than 500 women in urban areas who were missing or murdered, but the crime is not reflected in any government database. The names of those lost are written on a skirt she carries.
The Jane Doe you see on this skirt, today is the anniversary of her death. She was from Tucson, Arizona. We don't even know her name.
By the study's estimate, Tucson has the second highest number of murdered Native women in the country. Arizona ranks top 10. EchoHawk says misclassification and redacted police records couldn't paint the full picture.
When we did our public records request, some of the police departments didn't get us the information we would have liked. We need to know this information in order for us to really understand the depth of the issue.
We have to assume here that the 506 identified cases probably undercount the incidence of missing and murdered indigenous women and girls in urban America.
Lawmakers are taking notice. North Dakota Senator Heidi Heitkamp is sponsoring Savannah's Act, which would require law enforcement to update entries for missing and murdered Native Americans across the country.
If we think we can solve a problem, you will never solve a problem you won't admit you have, that you don't have data on.
BARNEY ENOS with the Gila River Indian community says he finds the numbers disturbing, but Savannah's Act is just a start.
As tribes, as agencies, we can do a lot more beyond the legislature. All of our efforts combined, we can work to combat those numbers and see a decrease in that.
In Washington, Lillian Donahue, Cronkite News.